Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Pinia vlogs bang ke jo fashion week long sido. Nang paklang pon pode. A video bang nang lang duno ke cheng pen ke chut an.
सबसे अधिक चिमलाई है चिमलाई अधिक नांगली चुम्पोन इग्नोर
Wow, non bang gaji lang ni
इग्नोर
tik
चिंगपन पon इग्नोर आके मन काय के लगे
Hi
सबसे
pune o. Teron tik
glitz and glamour akai pudam di glitz and glamour doji naंगली तो
Muni dolo.
pon ignore
Karbi Anglong fashion week long sido. Ke cheng populo non ke. Nang lang dun bom mo a video bang ke cheng pen ke chut an non bang. Bang bom lo.
Bolong ji ke kam tilun ji atum se tame sedang pon bom lo backstage ready lo apina
To mon ta do hoy jo theng pi tum tal ekdom jo.
We are going to witness dance. The dance crew, the singing crew are all
Theng pi
ready
tum da ke lang mi renti.
to set the
To mon
station
do
fire.
kong maeng
They
nam
are
thi
here
ju
on
bir war lo.
backstage, and I hope
Dala lang,
all
so
the
kon lang.
viewers, all the audience are going to enjoy this night at the fullest. Konona, Miss Strela Luwang, Femina Miss India second runners-up 2023. Music please.
Out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fire.
Miss India bang ponon ke jo.
Music bang pathik chotha.
Jo a program.
Music অলপ ভালকে বজাই দিব।
Miss India nai son ponon.
Put your hands together for Miss Strela Luwang. She is the second runners-up of Femina Miss India 2023. All the way from Manipur in Karbi, Pini, Pekok and Shaw. Miss Strela Taunajam Luwang, all the way from Manipur, Femina Miss India second runners-up 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put your hands together for Miss Strela Luwang.
Some days I take it slow and spend time with me. Some days I find you watching what I can see. Some days
Lon jo
I
Karbi
realize
pinding
you're reaching
kalogan.
for me. Some days I don't get it all.
Dress ta ke lang.
Some days it's like we're demons inside your head. Some days
Welcome to Karbi Anglong, Miss Strela Luwang. So now, with the entire team of Karbi Anglong Fashion Week, like to felicitate Miss Strela Luwang with our love, that is Karbi Poho. Yes, the entire team of Karbi Anglong Fashion Week is going to felicitate her with a Karbi Poho and also with a lovely bouquet. Thank you so much for coming to Karbi Anglong. Isn't she looking beautiful in Karbi dress? Yes, Chelonik Pigdi Alangli, Karbi Pinding Support Pen. And she also gave a sign of love to all of us. Feel like a love, di? See. So now I would like to hear from her. How are you feeling coming here to Karbi Anglong?
Oh, Sarange again to you. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who has made me, this possible and made me come here to Karbi Anglong. First time here, and I'm enjoying. It's my first time getting to experience everything over here, and it's such an honor. Thank you so much, everyone. And surprise, yeah, there are 8 designers lined up. They have amazing designs, and you will get to see every one of the models walk down this ramp. So I hope you're all excited, and see you soon. Thank you.
Okay, so Strela, before you go backstage, I have one request. As you are here in Karbi Anglong, you must know Karbi language, right? A little bit of Karbi language to Strela. Okay, so you can say Kardom Karbi Anglong.
Kardom Karbi Anglong. Thank you so much for teaching me that.
Thank you. I hope when you go back to Manipur, you say to your people, Kardom. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss Strela Luwang, for joining us here in the Karbi Anglong Fashion Week Season 4, 2024. Thank you.
Sao nó lang mesen mah? Oh, yung pink tu no, pa ni. Video tu didun lock mah.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the Fashion Week. Let's know.
ఎవరు ఫోన్ చేశారు? ఆపు ఆపు, ఎయిర్ప్లేన్ మోడ్.
जन्नत सच्चाई मैंने तेरे लिए छोड़ दी खुदाई
performed so well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please let's put our hands together for the Revolution Dance Group Difu. Fire setting for performance. I was not able to control my legs for dancing. So I guess as the audience also felt the same. A Karbi Poho is being presented to them by our crew of the Karbi Anglong Fashion Week Season 4.
Such a cute lady. And now I would like to call the designer of this dress, that is Miss Indira Patorpi. She have designed this dress for Miss Pistangi Fashion. Now I would like to call Ma'am Melina Terangpi and also Mrs. Barman to join, and Ma'am Sabina Teronpi. Together as three, I would like to call upon three of you to kindly felicitate the showstopper as well as the designer.
Hello guys, non ke hem dam bom lo jo program bang ke jut jilang setami hedi insam ong ma he ke dam popolo non hem dam bom lo jo light kan baji lo pote 10 o'clock lo de non jo la tumba ning hong he de ha tumi hedi yo dam bom lo tang ne tu tumi haning hong he de ni jo pi han chetong rong mat ting pi rong ma la tumba ke bang bom ho ma la tumba ke oh light mo pe ne light pi non ke light di penang tu ni paling hong hedi. Oh, non hen kita pemiang tung ong kang sam le kang sam. Lek lap lo. Video hai video tanang sample, foto tanang sample, paisa nang pino.